Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to mark mail as unread in Gmail. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to mark an email as unread in Gmail, just follow the steps. Now open up your Gmail account. Then find the email you want to mark as unread. Then just click that, and I'm already inside the email. Then click on the vertical three-dot icon in the right part of the screen. Then just press mark as unread. So it's now already marked as unread. Once you mark an email as unread, it will appear in bold in your inbox to indicate that it has not been read. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!